Ang special chapter ay mag-uumpisa sa page 479. And magugulat kayo kung ano yung content. So yeah, hey there guys! It's been so long. Syempre, ang tagal ko mag-edit. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako nag-edit eh. So yeah, it's me again, DL Castro. And yun, meron ulit tayong bagong parcel. So yun, bago natin ang ating address and dates. So this arrived ngayon lang, as in, nagluluto ako ng ulam and the courier service contacted me. And yeah, ito na nga ang aking bagong something. Wait, I need the other cutter. Ayan, so ito na yung aking bagong cutter. So this, yes, again, arrived today. Special thanks kay Ma'am Hiii. Ang bilis ng delivery, besh. Parang kahapon na lang inano to. So yes, for those who are curious, let's unbox this. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Ang kapal ng bubble wrap, mami. So, in-order namin to. This was a pre-order. Isa to sa mga matagal namin inantay dahil ang tagal ng pinanggalingan. May halong galit yung part na yun. So, yun. Ito na siya. Isa lang yung sa akin dito pero tatlo to. Kasi nagpasabay sa akin yung mga barkada ko. So, ito na yung isa. Nahulay ba siya? How am I gonna get? Ano ko siya kukunin? Nakatali siya na isa. Okay. So, hilahin ko siya lahat. Tchanan! Hindi pa pala nakikita. Ha! Ayan siya. So, these are books of Guay. Ayan. Thank you so much kay Ma'am Hiii for such a wonderful transaction. Ang bilis. And abangan nyo yung mga pa-inclusions ni Ma'am. So yeah, I'm doing an unboxing already. Pinakilip. Tanggal ko na siya. Wait lang. Ayan. So, meron siyang patingki tag. Thank you for trusting our small business. If you have any concerns regarding your orders, feel free to message us. Please don't forget to click the order receive button, and if it isn't too much, we hope to hear from you through a feedback rating. Thank you so much. Please do follow them on Facebook and Shopee. So, ito na. Yung isa lang yung kukunin ko kasi yung hindi naman akin yung iba dito. So, ibibigay ko sa kanila yung freedom na magbukas sa kanila. So, ito na yun sa akin! Ayan! Okay. So, ang in-order namin is yung premium books lang. Hindi kami nag-TLC. So, it's worth, magkano siya? 700? Something, parang ganun. So, these are freebies from Hiii. Yan. Meron siyang pa-tote bag. Okay. So, pa-tote bag. And then, ito, canvas pouch. Tama ba? Yan. For those na naka-follow na sa kanya, nakita niyo na to kasi nagbigay siya ng teaser video. So, I already have an idea of what I will be getting. So, yan. Meron siyang pa-stickers. Ayan, tikpan pa rin ang aking wait lang. Yan, so sticker. Wait lang. Kakaiba yung papel na to. Ayan, postcard na nakalagay. With her, I have the moon and the stars. I could never ask for more. The Rain in España by Aramid. Ayan. Notepad. Magnetic bookmark. Wow! Ay, ano pa? Here, the dusk is sudden. The night silent. The panoply of stars, immense and brilliant. Mini notebook. And lastly, keychain. Nice. So, yan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Hiii. Ang bongga-bongga ng freebie. Talagang pinaghandaan na tayo, guys. So yun, sa mga nag-order kay Hanali or kay Fangirls Haven, ito yun. Ito na yung kanyang pinaghirapan. Ayan, you are enough. Aww, sana all enough. Sarap. Ayan. So, next dito tayo sa book. Oh, yan. For those na nakaka-follow kay Guay, nakita niyo naman siguro, talagang sinign niya to, guys. And she just finished signing all the books. And ngayon, ayan, na-deliver na sa mga nag-reseller. Hindi ko alam kung wawasakin ko ba yung papel or hindi. Kasi parang gusto ko siyang ibalik doon. So, I'm little bit little. Hindi ba ko siya? Hopefully hindi ko madali yung libro, no? Sorry. I think it. Ito na yung book. Okay, sa premium book, ang freebie lang ni PHR is bookmark. Bookmark and postcard ata. Wait. Oh my god na. Oh wait, meron pa. Ano ko siya hilahin? Ay, ayan, may pin. May pin nga pala. So ayan, the rain in España. Hindi ko kayo mapunit yung ano. Oh my gosh. Napakagaling magbalot naman siya, I'm having struggle. So, sige, ko lang ito. Yay! Ayun! Oh! The book is big talaga, ha? Ay, kailangan ko na patungan sa'yo. Ito, ha? Okay. Ayan. So, ito yung bookmark niya. I can't see myself with anyone else but you. Bookmark. And then the book itself. Guys, ang laki na. Okay. And it's matte. Ayan. If you can see, it's matte. Pero hindi naman embossed yung sa titles. Ayan, matte cover siya. Oh, so it's a book jacket. It's a book jacket. Ay, hindi. Naka-fold lang siya. Para siya, akala ko book jacket. So, yun. Ganyan siya. Inspect your book din, guys, ha? If ever, kasi baka may nakalagpas or something. Ay, ang cute! Yung about the author. Ayan. So, yung about the author, Aramink, whose real name is Guay Saludes, started writing at the age of 12 and has passionately explored different writing genres and forms. She's currently a college student who aspires to enter the field of law. Aside from writing and studying, Guay also loves traveling and vlogging her journeys. She likes planning her days ahead as she believes it is the key to successful time management. Nevertheless, she never fails to spend time with her family, friends, and herself. Guay takes care of herself by doing art, writing, and listening to her own songs, drafting a chapter, binge-watching her favorite shows, and communicating with her readers online and offline. She believes that writing brings continuous growth and she likes to explore more by leaving space for learning. So, yun yung nakasulat sa kanyang about the author. Hindi ko sure pero ngayon lang kasi ako ulit nag-order ng book ng PHR, yung publisher. So, ang laki niya. Ayan o, ganyan siya kalaki. So, feeling ko ito yung malalaking size ng books nila ngayon. So, ayan, nakalagay dito. Limited Collector's Edition. So, yun. For those who want to buy and hindi makakabili, alam ko ito yung premium copy. Pero magre-release sila ng isa pang version. Parang cheaper version. Pero parang same content lang din naman daw. So, let's wait for that na lang. And wait for the update kung kailan yun. Kasi it took half a year. Kasi alam ko February kami nag-order kay Henley and then it arrived July. Hindi siya self-pub, guys. Ayan. So, pwede ko bang ipakita yung ano, tag dito, teaser. Oo. So, it's a moon. As you all know, Luna. Taray naman! Moon for Luna. Okay, so let me check the inside. Okay, curious ako dito. Cover illustrator. Ang cover illustrator na is Mariela Zhao, or Ella. GB by Kyun Desu. Computer graphics. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-focus yan, pero ganyan. May nabasa akong technique dun sa isang readers group eh. Sabi niya na, para daw hindi mag-crease yung dito, i-ganito daw. So, first is ito, yung sides. And then, unti-unti. Para daw mabanat yung spine and slowly hindi siya mag-crease agad. Hindi ko ginagamit yung mga libro kasi natatakot ako, feeling ko mag-snap out sila. Pero mukhang okay naman ang binding na to. Ayan, ito to yung exercise para sa book. Hindi ko sure kung tama yung procedure ko, pero may ganito sila na sinare dun sa group na sinalihan ko. Para daw ma-stretch yung spine ng book and hindi siya mag-crease. So, ayan, medyo siguro naman na-warm up na siya ng lagay na yon. So, yeah, book-wise, okay. Yung papel niya, hindi na siya yung, newspaper. Medyo similar siya sa papel ng international books, yung cream na, and if you can all see it, cream paper na, dito, naglalag na naman ako. Gusto yung cream paper na magaspang, hindi siya yung madulas. Kasi diba may international books na gano'n. Pero typically, yun, yung gano'n na siya. Tapos, ilang pages siya. It's 496 pages kasama yung special chapter. Ang special chapter ay mag-uumpisa sa, tapin natin. Oh, wait! Okay, so yun yung special chapter. Okay. Ang special chapter ay mag-uumpisa sa page 479. And magagulat kayo kung ano yung content. OMG, hindi ko siya i-spoil. Kasi, para yan sa inyo guys. So, abangan nyo kung ano yung special chapter. Like, okay. Hindi ko siya in-expect na gano'n. Akala ko something about sa kanila. Okay. Natutuwa ako kasi na-surprise ako, promise. Hindi siya yung typical na special chapter. I mean, for me, kasi typical yun, diba, parang extension na lang yun, no? Story nung about sa bida. Pero ito, part pa rin naman ng story yung basta yun nakakatuwa. OMG ko, yung cute. So yun, for those who got their book, congratulations sa atin. And congratulations din kay Guy. Nakita niyo naman siguro kung gaano karaming orders and kung gaano karaming libro yung pinirmahan niya. So, ayun, thank you so much sa kanya for all the effort. And well-deserved, we're waiting for the next book kasi Save Skies Archer na yun. So, yun si Yana tsaka si Hero. And yun, for this one, we're glad na nasa kamay na namin si Luna at si Calix. So, yun. Thank you so much, glad. So, yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and I enjoyed your book. Happy Boodle indeed. For those who wants to order, again, punta kayo sa page ni Henali. It's Fangirls Haven. I'll put the link on the description box below. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this one and see you again on my next video. This has been DL Castro at your service. Bye-bye!